This here is the Nomad Stratos band for the Apple Watch Ultra 3. This thing is something very different. Starting off with design, you will see here you have titanium on the top and you have these nice rounded links all around. So you know immediately that you're gonna have a better feeling band than what you traditionally get for something like this one from Apple, the Milanese band for the Ultras. Those have jagged edges on the side, while here you have these nice rounded links on the front. On the back is where it's different. So you have this FKM rubber here that comes in different colors for the black titanium and the natural titanium color. So you can customize it how you want depending on the metal you want as well for this band. Talking about how these rubber links here change the game is the fact that this is a metal band that also is flexible. So you do not have to worry about this pushing into your skin when you're performing any type of workout or anything like that, meaning that you can use this band all the time. You don't have to worry about using this band just for nice occasions. You can use it when working out. The band allows you to move your wrist when doing different exercises. Let's say if you're planking on the floor and then you lift your wrists, usually metal bands will activate Siri immediately because they're really rigid and they're not flexible at all, and it just pushes into the top of my wrist. This one, I can kind of push it back. Plus, as my wrist flexes, this band also flexes, which really helps with that aspect of it. The other thing that I really noticed that's different from other metal bands is the fact that with metal bands like the Milanese one, once you get a notification or if the watch vibrates, for example, for wireless CarPlay and you're having your maps on your Apple Watch, then you're going to hear that ticking noise that comes from the Apple Watch vibrating, and that resonates all through the metal band, but it does not with this one. So that's a big plus here on the way they've designed this band. I guess the rubber links is what's helping with the fact that it doesn't vibrate that much and I don't hear it like I do with other bands like the Apple one or even Nomad's traditional titanium band. That one also vibrated and rattled once you get that notification or if you're using your maps, alerts. So good thing that this band has changed the game for that. The next thing I want to talk about is the color, because that's what you might be interested in, especially for a band that's $180. It's very important to know, does it match the natural titanium watch? I don't have the black titanium band or watch, so I'm just showing you guys here the natural one, and I can tell you that from certain angles it looks more grayish, like a darker gray, but most of the time it matches depending on the light. They did a really close job with getting it as close as possible to the titanium of the Apple Watch, but it's not 100%. It's not made by Apple, so you won't get the best coloring for the metal. Let's say the Milanese loop, that one matches pretty much spot on. And these links are exactly the same color and texture as what you would find on the watch itself. This one has a slight deviation compared to the Apple one for the color. And you can really tell in certain light how it's just a darker tone than the actual watch itself. But if that's not something that bothers you too much, you shouldn't really worry about it that much. I've seen people use different colors with different bands and not really be bothered by it. So it just depends on if that's important for you. The next thing I want to talk about here is the clasp. So the clasp is magnetic. You can go ahead and just close it on top. You don't have to hold the buttons on the sides to go ahead and put the watch together. You just hold the buttons once you want to remove it. And then if you want to put it on your wrist, you go ahead and push the band down, put the magnet down first, and then attach the clasp above the magnet. And then you have the Nomad logo here at the very top. And the band is secure. I never had an issue with thinking that this band will fall off during a workout or even if I'm running. It's always on my wrist perfectly fine. And then here you can see that the links move as your wrist moves as well. There's channels here between each metal link, and you can see the visible rubber color from the underneath rubber links. The band is comfortable in my hand. I had to personally remove 2 of these links. So the 2 number 4 links that were on the band originally, I removed them. But you also have in the packaging 2 half sizes. You could possibly use these half sizes to make it even more perfect for your wrist. You use this little tool here, and I like that they redesigned this compared to the traditional Nomad titanium band. It's a lot easier to use. You go ahead and push down. So once it's pushed, it'll disconnect it and it will pop right out. So you can either use the flat end side of the tool here, or you can go ahead and use the front end to kind of push the link forward from the one you're connecting. And then use a little small pin here to push down the other one. I found this the easiest method for me. It says to use the other side, but I found that what's easiest is what I think works best. And that's going to be here pushing the link down, and then you can pretty much push it back into place. You pretty much get used to it. As soon as you get this tool and start messing with the first one, the second one is going to be a lot easier to use. And just removing 2 of them made it fit perfectly on my wrist. And I have a little bit of space, I would say like 1 finger. I don't want it way too snug, so it fits perfect this way for me, and I'm able to move it and sleep with the watch without it being bothering at night. So the band does have its perks, and it has, of course, its downsides, like I mentioned, the coloring. But there's one additional thing I want to talk about, which is very important here. And I always talk about this for third-party Apple Watch bands. So this band is cut out perfectly for the Apple Watch Ultra 3. However, I've noticed that once you see it here outside of the watch, it looks perfect. It has the correct lugs right here inside the channels. But then once it goes into the Apple Watch channel, then it's perfect the moment you install it. You can get it even on both sides. Once you put on your watch and then put the watch on your hand and the band moves, you start having a little bit more of the metal coming out on one side and the other side having a little dip. Then it goes the opposite direction, and then you have a dip and then it protruding outward on the other side. And a lot of third-party bands do this, and I wish that Nomad would find a way to kind of perfect the way that it sits inside the channel, so it doesn't have the ability to move left to right and make it out of alignment. That is the one gripe I have with this band, that I wish that for this price they could update that so they can make those lugs even better. But the fact that I could use this for different occasions and not have to constantly change between different bands, because that's something I was always bothered with. I buy one band and I use it for the whole generation of the Apple Watch, even 2 generations, and I don't worry about any other bands. But with metal ones, you kind of have to change them if you want to go do some sports or anything like that that requires you to have a more flexible band, then you have to take it off. But with this, I've noticed that I can use it for both sports and fancy occasions, which I think they did a really great job with designing something like this, where you have the ability to use it for both. You're pretty much getting your money's worth. You're getting 2 bands in one in a way. But I think that, there are some improvements they can make with this band to make it even better. I was using the Milanese loop before I got the Stratos band, and thankfully I chose a metal band this year with my Ultra 3, so I can have a bigger understanding on what should be improved with other metal bands. And I think that some of these things here are improved with the Stratos band. If you're interested in checking out the band for yourself, I'll leave a link for it as well in the video description and in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any additional questions, please let me know in the comments and I'll try to get to you as quick as I can. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Zanif Tech is out.